Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Trisha Creativemind Creations, and today I have a bit of a haul for you and some news. Okay, so me and my husband's anniversary is on November 26th, I'm sorry, 26th. And the reason why is because it was like a last minute thing, and it was 1 year the day before. That day, it was the day before Thanksgiving, and it was just a last minute thing, so we went ahead and did it, and we just went to the courthouse, and yada yada yada. And so I had planned to do a wedding, and I never got to do a wedding. I never got to have my wedding, and so I had bought stuff for it and everything, but we never had it. So this year, because I was in two weddings, well, I wasn't in them, but my cousin, well, my husband's cousin got married, and then his brother got married, and so I've been hit by the wedding bug. So I decided, I said, like, what's the point? So then I said, nah, I changed my mind, I want a wedding. So he picked a date. I mean, even though our anniversary is on November 26th, we are having a wedding on April 11th of next year. So I had to wait till after Christmas. I mean, I've been going through Pinterest, and YouTube and things like that, trying to get ideas for, the wedding and stuff like that. So, I was, I'm anxious, and I had to kind of like put it aside because I had this blanket that I had to finish for a Christmas present, and I said, like, okay, put that down, you got to get this done. So I got the blanket done, and Christmas has passed, and now I can focus on the wedding. Now again, like, it was like about 10 years ago when I was planning this wedding, and I had got stuff for it, and because I pulled out the box the other day, and I looked, and there was a receipt in there, and it was said, it was like dated January 7th of 2009. And at that time, we had already been together for 6 years. So that's when we went ahead and just got married later that year, or whatever it was. And then, so, like I said, I got hit with the wedding bug. So I said, oh, I want a wedding. I changed my mind. He said, no, you changed my mind. Well, I'm changing my mind. So, he's all gung ho about it. And I got 4 months to plan this thing. So, I got a gift card from him and my brother-in-law. And I did a little shopping the other day, and I got some stuff from Hobby Lobby. Okay, and I did pick up a few things here and there, and I'll probably show that little bit of stuff I got from Dollar Tree. That cause I'm crafting my DIY whole thing. This is gonna be a very cheap wedding because I'm doing it all myself. I have already gotten the venue, where it's gonna be, and the thing about it is, oh my gosh, this is broken. I hope this snaps back on. Here it is. Where it's going to be the wedding and the reception all in the same place. And it's a really big room, so that works out fine because I was trying to decide where we're going to have the wedding and then we're going to have the reception. And then I started looking at Pinterest, and it was like, what if we have the reception and the wedding in the same place, in the same room? And so I looked it up, and it's been done before. I said, cool, that works for me. So the good thing about that is that the guest doesn't have to drive from one place to another. I don't have to pay for 2 different venues, and yeah, so kills 2 birds with 1 stone. So I have the venue, and we are got that taken care of. I still gotta find an officiant though, and if I have to have somebody go online, and one of my friends or family go online to get ordained, I will do that. It's $79 to do that though. But anyway, it's probably just go ahead and do that instead of paying somebody to do it. I don't know, but anyway, I'm trying to be cheap, y'all. So anyway, oh, we also got new rings too. I ordered new rings, and we already got those are coming also. So anyway, this is one of the things that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I used a coupon on this. It was $9.99, and this is going to be cake decorating turntable, because I'm going to try to make my own wedding cake too. Like I said, I'm going to DIY this whole thing. But if I got to DIY the building I'm having it, I would have did that too. This is going to be a turntable, and this is a 10-inch size. And I'm only going to have like a small cake, and then the topper, small cake on top. Like a 2-layer cake. It's not going to be very big, and then I'm going to have cupcakes. So I'm going to be doing all the baking myself. So I got this, and this is going to be used just so I can decorate the cake, because I've been watching videos on how to make my own wedding cake. So that's that. Okay, and I got this, and this is for decorating the cake, side of the cake. And if you can see that cake right there, it shows how it put those indentures on the cake. So I decided to do that, do a little decorating, just a little bit. And it's 4 of them in here for $3.99. That was about, I didn't realize it was 4 minutes. I got home and I looked at the thing. I thought it was like only 2 in there, but it's actually 4 in there. So I got that. Oh Lord, that thing popped off, and this came out of it. So I gotta figure out how this goes. I guess that's how it goes. Pop that back on. And there, that's fixed. That's fixed like it's supposed to. Okay, so that's that. And I'm going to be dipping some pretzels, some long pretzels, and candy and stuff. And my wedding is red and white. Same color it's going to be 10 years ago. So, yeah. I got these. They was on sale. They're $2.99, but I got them for $1.99 because they were on sale. So I got red and white. I might have to get some more, but I just got that to start. I'm going ahead and get this stuff now because, like I said, I'm going to be doing DIYing this. I'm going to get all this stuff, and I got to store this so this doesn't go bad. And I already checked the date on it where it's going to be good until the date I need to use it. So I'm going to get this stuff out of my way. I'm not going to store this out here in my shed because sometimes it gets really hot out here, so I'm taking these back in the house. I just want to bring them out to show y'all what they're going to be looking like. I mean, what I'm going to be using. Okay, and I got these hearts. These are on sale too. This is the week where they had all the wedding stuff on sale. And I was going to make my own hearts, but I saw these, and it was 200 count in here. I'm not going to use all 200, and I can use it for other things. But I got these for half off. They were $9.99. That's 200 count in here. I'm going to show you guys what I plan to do. I'm not again. This is going to be DIY, and I want to do some different stuff. So I'm going to show you. Like I said, I pinned it on Pinterest. I'm going to show you guys what I plan to do with these hearts, because I'm not going to have the traditional guest book signing. So I already started. Oh crap! I already started a new no, wait a minute, go to mine. I already started a new board for the wedding, and I'm going to show you. Oh, where is it? Oh, I'm going to say, where is it? I'm going to get mad. Okay. So, and it's a like a frame or a heart that you sign these hearts in, and you drop them in there, and then we can hang it up later. Let me see if I can find it. And I'm going to make my own frame. This thing right here. It's this. If you can see that, I plan to make that. I'm not going to make it out of wood, but I'm going to make that, and I'm going to have the frame in red. So, and I'm not sure if I'm going to have it clear all the way through like that. Of course, it's got to be clear in the front so you can see the hearts, but I'm going to be making that. Okay, so my only dilemma is because we actually got married on the 26th of November, and then we're having a wedding on the April 11th. It's kind of, I don't know if I'm going to be putting a date on things because that's not our wedding day. I mean, it's the date of the wedding, but we got married on November 26th. So, Um, that was one of the things I was going to. Then I was supposed to get, it was like a letter C. I mean, or like a letter that you can sign. I thought about that. But since I got the hearts, we're going to go with this. It also came with, I actually seen the frame at Hobby Lobby too that you can buy for this. But I'm going to go, make my own frame or the heart and, do that part myself. Because I mean, it didn't cost a lot. And, well, extra was $32. $33 or $32.99, and then it would have been half off, so it still would have been like $15. I could make it for less. So yeah, so that was one of the ideas. I just recently came across this idea too. It's like I think it's on a well, maybe not a canvas, but it was something like that. I was going to die cut hearts on my Cricut or something, and do that. But since I saw these the other day, I obviously was going with this option. So yeah, so that's why I got those, and then I also got this, and I'm mad because I didn't have red. I probably should have got another one of these, but I got some tulle because it was on sale. It's Christmas tulle. It was $9.99, 6% off, 66% off. So I got it for $3.40, and I got 2 rolls, and it is 100 yards a piece. And I'm thinking I probably should have got another roll. And again, unfortunately, they didn't have red. They had 1 roll of green left, but I don't need green. But they didn't have any red. So I went ahead and got white, and I think I should have went ahead and got another one. So if I can go back before it's all gone, I'm gonna probably get some more of this. So I got that, and got this. This is some diamond confetti. That's $5.99. I got it half off. Also, it was off in the wedding section. All of his and her stuff. Studio his and her stuff was 50% off. In the wedding section, every other week they have it on a sale on it. So I went ahead and got this. Like I said, I know that this is always going to be a sale, but I tend to go ahead and get things. No, I'm going to need it. What's the point when I'm going to need it anyway? So I went ahead and got it. Because I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff, or just about everything. So I need to go ahead and just get it now, while I can. And the only thing that I didn't get, so I'm going to show you this. And I got this ribbon, and it's 30 feet, and I'm going to be using this for my cards. I'm going to start making those my invitations here. Yeah, and I'm trying to decide, guys, if I should do the tutorial videos on how I made everything for my wedding before the wedding, like as I'm making it, like right now, or after. And now I'm going to show you something, because like I said, the venue where we're having it it's a really nice size room, and so I don't know exactly how I'm going to set it up, but I'm kind of trying to get an idea of how I want to decorate the space, and, to have the wedding ceremony and the reception afterwards. So I'm starting to decide if I want to go ahead, if I'm going to be showing y'all the wedding series stuff before the wedding, like again as I'm making this stuff, preparing for the wedding, or after the wedding. Of course, I'm going to have it all set up. Everything that I made is already in this reception area, and also I'll be showing you the room. But I got some ribbon too. This was on sale. The ribbon was on sale, and it was 40%, 50% off. I think, yeah, 50% off, and it was $2.99. So I got this for $1.50. So and I got 1 roll. This organza ribbon. Well, I probably should have got another roll. But again, if I need some more, I can always go back, because they'll have the sale again. And then I went back to the paper craft area, and I said, I don't need those back there. But I did see this, and I wanted this die. It's by Tim Holtz. It's $2.49. It's a big die, so I got it. And I don't know if I already got this die or not, because I think I seen it. I'll look, but oh well, I got it again. But anyway, it was $2.49, so I got it. So that is that. I'm going to also show you some stuff that I went ahead and got from Dollar Tree too. I got these glasses because I'm going to be making our glasses, our toasting glasses. So I got those, got 2 of those. Now I have some of the bigger ones that's like bigger, but I didn't want those. I wanted those, like the skinny ones, so I got 2 of these. I have some tiny ones, some others are smaller than these, but they were too little. So I got those. And I got these. And I got all that they had, and I've never seen this before. These at a Dollar Tree that is in another city for me, where I go through every once in a while. So this is acrylic gems, and they're red, the perfect color. They had other colors too, and like I said, I got all that they had. So I got these at Dollar Tree. So those are gonna be pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna put them in vases or table scatter or whatever. I don't know. But even if I don't use all this stuff for my wedding, I'll be using for other stuff. And I'm thinking I should have got. I'm gonna need more, but like I said, I got all the red that they had. They only had 5 packs left. And I'm going to be making cake stands and things like that. So I got 2 of these, and it's got nasty because my grandkids it was in the house, and where I had it, the kids were getting on it. And I said, so my plan is I'm going to be putting the 2 together, and I'm going to be putting lights around the edges. And I'm going to be covering that out with some bling. I'm going to put some legs under here. And then I'm going to use this to stack it so I can put cupcakes in there. And then the cake is going to be on top. If y'all understand that. So that's the idea. And I'm hoping that these things will be strong enough to hold the cake. Because again, it's not going to be very big, and it's only going to be 2 layers. So it should work. Because like on the rest of these tiers, it's just going to be cupcakes. Alright, so that's what I got so far from Dollar Tree. I think. Hold on just a minute. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I seriously got to make a do not disturb sign on my door because I'm recording, and my granddaughter just decided she want to walk out here and disturb me. But anyway. No, you gotta be quiet. So, I also got some tissue paper, and I think my best bet what I'm gonna do. Well, you know, I might even make that many because I got a big pack of them, big pack of tissue paper from Walmart, and this is red and white in here. I don't need the green, but I'm gonna be making giant tissue paper flowers and tissue paper balls to hang from the ceiling and for backdrop. And that's gonna be probably the first tutorial I'm gonna show you guys because I did make one. I'm gonna have it's gonna be okay. The wedding is gonna be red, white, and silver. Okay, and this paper was red and white. I mean red. Silver, I can't talk. Silver and white, and it had this gray left in here. I'm not gonna use any gray, I don't think. But the silver paper that I have in here, silver and white paper, had like a silver florist print on it, and I made some of the folded tissue paper. I gotta find those. I thought I brought them out here. Oh, I know they are. They're in the house. And my my hubby's man cave. I took them in there to get them out of the way because I haven't been able to get out here in a while. So I'm going to be showing you how I made those. I'm only opened that one to just see how it looked and see how big it was. But I'm going to make it different sizes. I've seen videos on how to do them. I'm going to show you the colors I'm going to be using for mine. And it turned out really cute. The one I did poof up, you know, fluff and all that. So I got 2 packs of those. This is just 1 pack that's left over, and I brought it out here. And these paper was 20 by 20 size, and it came with 5 sheets. And so it came with 5. You know what? I don't know how many sheets it came with. Okay, yeah, 2 hot stamps and 3 solid colors. So it came with 2 of the silver and white printed pieces that was in here that I used, and then the last 3 are the solid color, which I'm not going to use. I don't know, I might throw the gray in there later. But yeah, so that is what's going on right now. I'm going to be doing that, and yeah, guys, I'm going to be busy with crafting for this wedding. I got 4 months to plan it. So Thanks guys for watching, and y'all stay tuned for the. I guess I'm gonna do a wedding series of crafts or DIYs, and y'all stay tuned for that, and I will see y'all later. Bye.